Okay, did you have it on high?
Yep.
Okay, so here goes. I'm going to hang on really tight and just see if you can get me right up over the house and maybe down the street or something. Okay. Okay, here goes nothing. You ready?
Okay.
All right.
You ready?
Yep, here goes.
Hold on.
A little more. A little more.
Honey, your flip-flop came off. Switch on Google Earth navigation. Oh, here it is.
Oh, that's much smoother. Wow, I'm over the pole. Hey, that's enough. Bring me back home.
Navigate home. All right, home. Let's go.
There's something wrong with this thing. Google lady thinks we live in Durham.
Yes, I'm over the ballpark now. Hey, I'm heading for a big building. Make me go higher, higher, higher. Jeez, that was close.
Hey, it says you're in a restricted airspace.
Do you think so? I'm heading over Raleigh now. Can you land me someplace?
Okay, I'm trying.
I'm heading for the building again. Missed it by that much. Hey, I'm going over the PNC Arena. Can you land me at the NC Museum of Art?
Navigate to NC Museum of Art.
All right, North Carolina Museum of Art. Let's go.
Oh, my arm. Okay, honey. Come get me. I'm at the art museum.